Hey Diamonds, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, thank you so much for joining us today. So in today's video is going to be a repeat video from my Uhu polygel nail tutorial. I actually left out the gel lamp. How could I have done that? I don't even know. But I guess I was so excited about the polygel that I completely forgot to show you guys the gel lamp. So I'm going to be showing you guys that in today's video. But first things first, I just want to mention that we are still going to be doing the 12 Days of Christmas series here on my channel. So that means I'm going to be doing a mystery giveaway from now until Christmas. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you have your bell notification on so that you can be notified when I upload a video so that you're not missing out on the giveaways. Also, don't forget to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed watching, and also go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section, and let's go ahead and just get into the video.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see.
Okay Diamonds, so here is the UV LED lamp that I received from Uhu. This is 72 watt. It is really nice and strong, so I really love this. It's gonna be great for the polygel, and oh my god, look at the packaging, you guys. It's really cute. Okay, so first thing right off the bat, it came with these nail files and buffers. You got a few different ones in here, so I really like that they gave a couple. That's really nice. And I'm actually going to be doing another video showing you guys how I use the lamp, and I'm actually going to be using everything that comes with the lamp as well, so just so you guys can have an idea of that. So now the next thing that I'm just going to pull out is the lamp itself, and oh my gosh, how did they wrap this thing? Like, it's literally like wrapped up in here super well. But that's good. That's a good thing. So right off the bat, I like the dome shape. It's really cute, and then that little pink accent on the inside is my favorite part of it. And then this LED screen right here at the back, which is again just really stylish, really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this little cellophane right here. It's really satisfying, you guys, to have peeled that off. I like that so much. And then when I peeled that off, you can see that the little buttons have been revealed now. They're like so sleek, you can barely even see them. They're super cute. So the first thing that I see is that you have your timing, your 60 seconds, sorry, 120 seconds, your 60, your 30, and then your 10 seconds. And then you also have your plug for your power cord. So I'm going to go ahead and just give you a look at the inside of the lamp now. This is my favorite part. I love the little accent of pink on the inside. It's super cute. And then you guys can see this is the base plate, so it can be removed when you want to do toenails or something like that. And then also on the base plate, you also have these little indents for where you can place your hand, because I know sometimes people don't really know where to place their hands inside of the gel lamp, but this is really good. This is going to be the most effective places on the gel lamp for you to get the maximum curing. And then after, we are just going to look right in the lamp right here, and you guys can see there are a ton of LEDs. I especially love that the lamp has them all around the sides of the lamp. There's no spots that really don't have any of the LEDs. And then also right on the top, the entire top of the lamp has LEDs. That is so important to me, because sometimes I don't put my hand far enough in the lamp, and then it's a disaster. So the next thing that I went ahead and pulled out of the box was the power cord. Now, I have this dilemma when it comes to power cords, and I know people are probably thinking like, how much is there really to say about a power cord, and it's not that interesting. Well, for me it is, because when the power cord is not long and it's too short, it gives me a headache, and I feel like I'm gonna go nuts, because you know, I need to plug it in somewhere, and it's not always that I have somewhere that's really close to me that's accessible, and I don't want to have to buy a new extension cord every single time I get a new item. So I can appreciate a really long power cord. So, you know, all you companies out there that are making products, definitely keep that in mind, to just have an extra long power cord so you can save us a little bit of a headache. And for those of you who kind of feel like a long power cord is a little bit messy, all I do is kind of wrap it up if it's too long, and then tie it with a Velcro, elastic band, or even the zip tie, anything like that for the extra length so it's not flopping around. And that's all I do, but at least when I go somewhere or if I have to travel, I could bring it along with me. So I was just showing you guys that it also came along with the instruction manual. You can go through that on your own. And then they send me this cute little card. I love their card. It's so adorable. Now we're just going to go straight into the lamp. So the first button on the lamp is the 120-second curing time. And then it's displayed on the top of the LED, on top of the screen right here. So I like that it's on the top. So if you ever have clients or anybody coming to get their nails done by you, they can also see when the time is out, because I feel like people always tend to ask, can I take my hands out now? Or do I need to put them in again? Stuff like that. And this just kind of gives them the timing as well. And I just want to show you what the light looks like on the outside. It's really bright and strong. Like these are some strong lamps. Okay, some strong lamp. So they also have a sensor as well. So if you set it at 120 seconds, you can just go ahead and put your hand in and it will start counting down. You can also preset it at 60 seconds and go ahead and put it in, or preset it at 30 seconds, so on and so forth, 10 seconds, and then put the hand in. And every time that it counts down, you will have it preset at that time, so you don't have to put your hand in and then press the time. It's completely up to you on what you decide to do, but I just find that it's nice that you can have that preset. Okay, diamonds, that's going to be it for today's video, but definitely come back because I'm going to be doing an in-depth review on this, because I just want to see how it's going to work out. And don't forget to go ahead and check out the giveaway rules. It's down in my description box. I love you so much. Thank you. Bye.